everybody, welcome to St. Thomas Real Estate. So this is actually located in Green Valley, Baguio City. So as you can see in the background, there are actually houses being built. There are also houses that are done already, and we have also residents here already. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to showcase to you the house and lots that are ready for occupancy, or if not, lots that are available for you to put up your house. Okay, so I have here with me somebody who is also in charge of this property. He's an engineer, and he would be coming with us so that we can actually show you the model of the house. So please let's welcome engineer.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So please can you tell us more about the houses as we go?
So we have different models here like Gloria, Ryan, and Newton. For this, we will go to this unit to see the specifications of the units here.
Okay.
So
So this house
here
is.
we have a carport,
Mhm.
yeah, for the carport, and go to entrance. So
Oh, can you make your
mm.
voice louder so
yeah,
that they can
it's
hear?
yeah, it's
Okay.
okay.
All right. So this is how many square meters?
120 square meters.
Okay, and it's a two-story house.
Yeah, two-story house and three bedrooms. At the second floor.
Oh, okay. So you also have sort of like a
Fireplace. Yeah.
So all the
fireplace.
houses have this kind of.
Yeah.
All the houses has the same design.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So this is just a model of the house. So we have here like the kitchen area.
Yeah.
And how about this one?
This is the storage area, and then the P&B.
Ah, okay, storage and this one you can use it like storage
Yeah,
also.
storage also.
Okay. All right. So engineer, can we go up and
Yeah.
let's take a look more? Okay. So how long does it take for like one unit house to be built?
For about three months.
Uh-huh. Ah, 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
Okay, so this one.
We have three bedrooms here. Okay. So we have a cabinet for the
So the
foods,
built-in cabinets.
yeah, built-in cabinets.
Uh-huh.
And then we have a terrace here.
This can be like the master's bedroom, right? Or this is the only terrace?
Yeah,
Or
only terrace. Yeah, in this so the ambience here.
okay, yeah, I think so too. So we still have other properties being built, and they are all the same.
Finishes outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you can develop it also if you want. And like this, for the stone claddings, you can switch it to aral stones like that. For this kind of finishes, you can um, switch that to another finish stones.
So you mean
But you
the
have to
owner?
remain this log type.
Okay. So you can actually add some. I mean the owner or
Yeah.
the buyer can actually do some remodeling
Yeah, remodeling.
Okay.
Most especially here inside.
inside.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So we have one P&B here at the second floor.
So like two comfort rooms.
Yeah.
I see. Okay. All right. So I think for more details and for more inquiries, you can always come and visit this place. Or, of course, I have my contact, I have my Facebook, and thanks for the help of engineer. He is also into this kind of buildings. All right. So you can always contact us. All right. Okay. So thank you so much for your time and have a nice day. Can't wait to answer all your queries. Have a good day. Bye.